What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page username. Now first open your Facebook on your browser, then go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon and click on see all profiles, then choose the page that you want to change its username. So I'm going to choose this page right here. Then what you should do right now is to simply click on your profile picture again, then choose settings and privacy, then settings. It will redirect you to this page right here. Now you should go to the search bar and search for name right here. Click on enter, then it will show you these options. Click on this first option right here, then click on view. And now it will show you the name of the page and also the username. Now you can simply click on edit right here, then you can change the username to anything that you want. I'm gonna name it ZainZone21 instead of ZainZone24. Then click on save changes. After that, it will jump you directly to this page. And now when we head back to the name, I'm gonna search for name again, then click on view, and now you have the new name ZainZone21. And if you even go to your profile, you can simply see that your URL also has been changed. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.